So kids, moving forward to our next topic, and the next topic is friends in Marvel. So what are they talking about? This is about in the first, if you remember, you must have heard, I have taught you about the Deshpandes and Deshmukhs who used to only care about their watans which they had got as a reward from the sultans. So, how Shivaji had talked to them, how he had solved the problems among themselves, we are going to learn about that. So, are you excited? Okay, come on, let us begin. So, friends in Marvel. All over the 12 marvels, there are Deshmukhs guarding their individual watans. Now, in bracket, what they are telling: gifted land in lieu of service, to which they were more attached than anything else. That's correct. In the first lesson only we had learned that this Deshmukhs and Deshpandes, they had only a concern of their own watans, okay, which they had got as a gift, we can say, for their service whichever they had done. So this Deshmukhs, in the 12 marvels, there were 12 marvels. In the 12 marvels, there were Deshmukhs. So one were Deshmukhs, and who used to do their guarding. They used to look after only their watans, and that was only the basic and important main priority for them, nothing more than that. So after that, what they are telling, there were constant quarrels between them, leading to useless waste of money and manpower. Okay, now I already told, we had already learned in the first lesson, this Deshmukhs and Deshpandes used to fight among themselves only for their what they used to fight for. Like they used to fight for their Viswatans only, and their fights were so silly. Like these quarrels were like in very heated argument, like in small fight, like in very like talking with one another, but a very bad argument, like a heated argument we can say. So they used to do a heated argument on not a useful topic or something sensible. That was quite senseless topic, and it used to always be leading to, and because of this quarrels, what used to happen? Useless waste of money. Like money was getting much wasted in these arguments because of these arguments, and also much of manpower, like human strength, human existence. Like manpower means human strength we can say. So this both things were getting wasted. What was getting wasted? First is money and second is manpower. That's correct. Shivaji saw this waste and decided to put an end to it. Now Shivaji knew everything and he saw to this, like this Deshmukhs and Deshpandes are doing the same thing. Now he thought an idea. He wanted to establish a Swaraj. So what he thought, we should have unity in ourselves first. So that is why he came and thought like I should do something and I will put to this to an end. Like I will stop this quarrels and this fight between the Deshmukhs, Deshpandes, and their only like their mindset I will change, because they had a mindset only to offer like caring for their watans. So he wanted to basically change all this. He would visit the Deshmukhs in the area, talk to them, pursue them to desist from their follow and raise before them a very attractive picture of the Swaraj of his dreams. Now what Shivaji, he was a very what we can say clever person, right? So what he did, he used to go and visit this Deshmukhs, and in that area, Deshmukhs in the area, particular area, he used to talk to them. He used to try to convince them. Now they had another mindset, they used to care for only their watans, but Shivaji in a way used to talk in that way that their mindset used to like change. Many of them, what Shivaji did, many of their mindset he tried to change. He tried to convince this Deshmukhs and made them understand. Desist, pursued means convince, and desist means to stop or hold back to. So what he used to do, he used to try to convince them and he used to stop them from their folly. Folly means what? Lack of good sense or complete foolishness we can say. Like they did not have a sense only, they were quite foolish. So this from Shivaji would convince them and make them understand and stop them from this folly. Folly means foolish, foolish arguments and like all the decisions, and raise before them. And by two things he used to do. What? First, he used to try to convince them and make them understand like what arguments you are making is completely foolish. So he stopped them from that. And second thing, what he used to do, he used to attract them by making a picturization of an Swaraj. What was in the ideal of, what was the idea of Swaraj in which Shivaji had in his mind. He used to execute and tell about Swaraj in such a way that like they were also very attracted and impressed by that. Okay. And later on, he just won many of them over his side. So this Deshmukhs who were fighting against themselves, he tried, he talked to them, and in such a way they understood the things and they were on now the part of Shivaji. Now they are supporting Shivaji. Okay. He used force against those who were adamant. Now some people are there. We try to understand them some things for betterment of them or something. They will not understand. They will be like, no, I am at my part only. I will not listen to you. Like adamant means firm. Refuse to listen to anyone's opinion or change his mind. Refuse to, like he rejects, like I will not change my mind. Some people are there. They are called as adamant, firm people. So what he used to do, such kind of people were there, he used to use his force, like he used to not only talk but use his force to make them change their mind. Okay. In this way he stopped the mutual warfare. In this way the warfare, the fightings and the quarrels which were happening amongst the Marathas only, the Deshmukhs, Deshpandes for the Jagits and everything, the Vatans, that stopped because Shivaji made an a good move. Now they all are friends, like they are all with Shivaji. Okay, everybody was pleased with this happy result and all started singing the praises of Shivaji. Now what happened? By this all were quite happy, and in this with this happy result, at the end everyone was happy, and they were all started singing the praises of Shivaji. So they started praising Shivaji like Jai Shivrai or something that way. They understood the vibes and they started praising Shivaji's name. Okay. Now there are some people's name in the Deshmukh's Mavla Valley. So I'll just read out. Junzrao Maral, Heibatrao Shilamkar, Baji Pasarkar, Vithoji Shitole, Jede, Paigude, Bandar were some of the Deshmukhs in the Mawal Valley. So these are the names of the Deshmukh who were there in the Mawal Valley, who began to look upon Shivaji as their leader. Now these people which I have read, this Mawals, and they were Deshmukhs, they started to look Shivaji as a leader. So they had in mind, like in their mind, there was such no idea before that. It was Shivaji made all the changes and they were happy with that, happy with the result. They started praising Shivaji and then considered Shivaji Maharaj as their leader and one leader. The dream of Swaraj was fast approaching the day of fulfillment. Now the dream which Shivaji had in his mind, now everyone had in their minds, and the dream was coming through. It was going to fulfill. So it was fastly like happening. That dream was getting fulfilled. So this is about the friends in Marvel. So I hope you have understood this point. Okay, kids?